cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy,
M.O.B.
cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo. I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top. Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today I'm just going to be refreshing these curly plaits. I got some build up around the edges, some residue, so we're gonna do something about that. So if you're interested in seeing how I refresh these mini plaits, then please stay tuned. Now guys, we're gonna start off with some warm water. I'm gonna start back using my other spray bottle, but this one will do. So I'm just spraying this onto my edges. You spray it throughout the hair, especially if you need it to curl up on the ends. It's pretty moisturized, but I'm going to show y'all my normal routine, and that is basically just taking the products that I initially did style with and just refreshing it with that. So I have this coconut curling cream, and it's gonna take a little bit. Put it on. In spots where you see your hair unraveling or looking frizzy, you might want to go ahead and roll that, or try to put some gel on it, product on it, to get your curls back right. But in my hair, for some reason, I do have straight pieces, straight hair, so I don't worry about it too much. And after that, you pretty much want to take some oil and lock all of this in. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my grease. It has all the oils already in it, so I'm using this Blue Magic. For today, if you would like, you can go ahead and do a scalp massage. A quick scalp massage. I haven't been doing my yoga lately, so these scalp massages help. So that was a quick scalp massage. You can do yours for longer. I suggest at least 5 minutes. I want this to be a pretty quick video. So next, I'm just going to get some edge control. This is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Control Me Edge Gel that I'm just going to put on my edges. I just wanted to use this up. It's almost gone, if y'all can see that. And I actually like this edge control. It doesn't leave that flaky residue after it dries. So those coconut and shea oils help with that. And it holds down the hair pretty good. It's not the strongest hold, but it does a pretty good job. So at this point, you can tie your edges down. Add any accessories that you would like. Like I said, you can roll your ends if they come down with a perm rod. And if you have a shag like me in the back, you can go use this opportunity to pin this up. But it's not that necessary for me today. So yeah, this is basically all I do to refresh it. This helps out with this dry heat out here in Texas. You want to kind of keep your hair moisturized. So yeah, I can show y'all the back. And that's about it, y'all. From here, you can get ready for the rest of your day, because this is all that I'm doing. My hair, like I said, it's already pretty moisturized. It doesn't need that much, and I just like to let natural hair do what it does. So yeah, guys, I want to thank y'all for stopping by. I really appreciate your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady D.
Ain't looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
the infamous.
Ain't looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous witches wanna come back me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so profitable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady, he won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Organ all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not, I don't care. You clowns ain't about to worry me, cause I does this for myself, and I'm repping for my ancestry.